we all know the Nigerian Afro musician artist, Kiss Daniel. Kiss Daniel, Nigerian Afro musician artist, the guy that sang Woju. Okay, the memory of how he was pranked. There was this video that I watched years back. How he was pranked. Okay, you see, I will never forget such video because first of all, I could not remember the name of the media caucus, but I'm making a shout out to them, and big shout out to Kiss Daniel, Nigerian musician Kiss Daniel, Emi Okweje. Do you understand? Please, everybody, if you watch my video, try to watch that video. Years back, or maybe like 5 years back, I think, Kiss Daniel was pranked, and we all know prank is all about. They will push you to the extreme. All these prank people, they are extremists, but that is not what the media caucus, that is not what they do. But the prank people has already coordinates them that you are having interview with Kiss Daniel, please help us to prank him. So what really happened was just that Kiss Daniel, they asked him to meet like maybe 12 p.m. for the interview, but he has already sent message later then that sorry, I will not be there by 12, I will be there by maybe 2 p.m. So luckily for the media caucus, for the brand people, they use that, even though they are sending message back that no problem, it's okay with us, we will be ready by 2. Kiss Daniel got to the studio for interview. Even normally when he got there, he was looking, he's a very handsome artist, very sexy. He was looking ravishing, So he didn't know anything. He sat down and he was even telling the cameraman that please, could you please project your camera appropriately? Let it be a little bit far to the. He no say he go collect something dey inside bag for him. If you see the presenter, she did not compose herself. She just sat relaxfully, and the producer started and said, this girl, what is wrong with you? Let's start now. The director was like, what is all this now? Let's start. The girl said, I cannot do any interview anymore. I don't know what is wrong with all these artists. Why did you waste our time? We'll be waiting for Jill said, but what I was driving at is that Kiss Daniel, not even angel from above, even if when angel is being pranked, angel cannot do better than Kiss Daniel that day. And these people were so they were so heartless. They were giving him one kobo. Imagine a presenter, it has never happened before, but we that we were watching, they let us know that it's a prank though. Even me got to a stage, Kiss Daniel's voice has started shaking. The guy wanted to shed tears, but it's still so much courage. It's still, do you understand? It's still, he still control his temper. He was like, I said I'm sorry. Presenter said, you did only just one hit. You want to kill us, we are keeping us waiting. Who the hell do you think you are? Do you know that to the worst of it all, the producer said, this girl, don't spoil my work for today. He wanted to insult Kiss Daniel. He was doing as if he's being, he's being pissed off by the presenter. This girl, I'm warning you. Let's start now. You too, the producer now faced Kiss Daniel. You too, you are just looking like a mumu, like a dummy. Talk to her. Please go and watch that video. I cannot. If you see the way producer was giving Kiss Daniel, not that you just open your mouth and be looking. What now pissed me off that I started laughing, I started rolling on the guy. What I couldn't believe was when the camera also interfered. Cameraman said, all these useless artists, in fact we are tired. they go just they spoil somebody's day. My goodness, Kiss Daniel was still, please, I don't know how to explain. Go and watch that. My goodness, I was just thinking, a lot of things bothering my mind because King Rudy really broke my heart. So I was just thinking now that imagine it was King Rudy that was interviewed, that was pranked. Prank people, no try am o, no go prank King Rudy o. King Rudy na Haruna UI na Inoki. He go show una true color of a gorilla. No try am o. King Rudy wey be say, So, but what I'm trying to tell you guys is that despite all that, this Kiss Daniel bears it all. I just know that he did well. He bears it all. I cannot even bear it all like that because nobody told us that it's prank. Still, do you know that my spirit is still rejecting this guy up to today? No skin pain, no hard feeling. Don't get me wrong, Kiss Daniel. My spirit is still rejecting you. That is, love is something that happens naturally. It will just, do you understand? Even person no go feel explain it. Not to now talk of somebody that I jailed for. People, if I lie, may God punish me. King Rudy of former P Square have been bullying me for a year plus now for reason I do not know. Wallahi, King Rudy, he go belong thing between you and una. Wallahi, he go belong thing because I spotted the rubbish. I didn't mind my business, but I was on Instagram yesterday. I see how you were trying to buy the mind of people. You fear God so that God will not take away your gifts. No matter how you pretend to people, you this devilish man, one day, do you understand? I'm not ready to drag things with you. One day, your sin will fish you out. Because I saw your should I say your status on everything on Instagram now, you were trying to you fear God. As time goes on, we shall know somebody that fear God. The music you are singing that is enabling our men to be lazy, to be idle. This your reason with me. Do you understand? I did not think of it, but I just say many times when I'm trying to be lady that I am on my show on anything, this guy will come out and start debunking me. I don't know what is this problem, and yet we were told that in all the single video you have made ever since you left the P Square group, that reason with me is the most watched video. So what is your problem? Why are you so pain? Why are you always attacking me? King Rudy, what did I do for you? I've never met none of your friends that slept with me. I don't even know you before. I only know you as a star. Even my only sister, my only senior sister must not heard all this about you, because she's so keen about you. She's a bigger fan of you ever since you were with. She's always talking about that guy with dread and all that. Your songs doesn't enable men to be reasonable. It enable our men to be idle, to be useless. I have never come out to debunk this for once in my life, because I never reasoned it. When you love somebody, anything about that person, you will just gel. You will not see any fault. Do you understand? Look at the time that I this is what I sense, that the time that I started having problem with you that I don't know. When Cynthia Morgan, this Afro musician rapper, Nigeria rapper, that girl that your brother signed, Jude signed, is her name Cynthia Morgan? Ever since she called your brother out and you expected me to react positively to all our lamentations, which I said my own side, the 2 videos I did for Jude, I said it the way I see it, which it favored this guy Mehdi. It also favored Cynthia Morgan. It was later that some things were recollected to me that maybe we cannot blame Jude. Later I started recollecting some things, that because Jude also exclaimed that Cynthia Morgan were attending shows behind his back. So I start thinking that maybe that's why Jude increased a year of payments, things like that. But first, the video I did favor Cynthia Morgan, it's also favor. So I'm sure he saw that video since then. Hey, this man called King Rudy has been on my back, but I don't have real proof that. Do you understand? He will grant interview, he will throw all sort of shade. King Rudy, you think I don't see all your negative green light? He will grant interview, even he will update himself on Instagram, he will still throw all kinds of shade. I said I no fit marry brokers. Wetin be your own? You go come interview, you go dey say rubbish because your ex betrayed you, he did this. Women, in fact, any woman that cannot suffer with man, this thing was becoming too much until just of recent. All your nonsense song, na you still sing song, still dey praise prostitute, na you say reason with me. Man wey talk say make dem reason with am, na him still dey praise prostitute inside his new album, say anything wey go kill man go kill man, he go give prostitute big shot. That one no concern me. Your song, you sang all sort of nonsense. The woman wey no dey do drama, wey no like kasala, go collect good money. big thing from you, may any places of your choice, who send you? Then why are you always bullying people that you are rich with your money? You did that to me 2 times. Why can't you wait for me to come and beg for food from you before you start oppressing me that you are rich? You don't care, you are just making your money dey go. Who come dey hungry? You are so senseless. I just pity prank people, make dem no go prank somebody like you because you are an animal. Wallahi lazim, look at the interview that you granted on Cynthia Morgan, 2 different interview. The first one have part A, part B. People should go and watch that interview. How you nailed that lady. Ha! What you said in that interview, for goodness sake. I've watched this interview for long, but no be now. Rere sile. You know say me I don talk am about you. Na only your pocket rich. Your heart is not rich. Your heart, your mentality is not wealthy because you don't act like one. Wallahi lazim. That is why I call you a low lifer. That is why I call you smello tí mo pè ní olóòórùn onídọ̀tí. It is one thing for somebody to be wealthy. It is another thing for your heart. Go and see true rich people, genuine rich people, how they reason. It's not because of money I'm avoiding broke ass. It's because of their mentality. Let me tell you one thing today. I don't owe you explanation, no. But the only thing why I'm avoiding broke man, broke ass, scrub, I don't want no scrub. It's this guy that can get no love from me. It's simply because of one thing, their mentality. Sick with any broke guy like this. He know say he no fit afford you. Big guy wey dey drive pass, he go spoil that guy. Nobody ask him any question o. He go start dey spoil the guy. Na jazz he dey do o, na ritualist o, na 419 o. I am tired. A man that have been with broke ass before in the past, they no fit take care of somebody. Na the thing question wey you no ask them, na him dem go dey answer. All those guys you see out there, innocent people, they go just dey spoil innocent people for you. They go paint people black. Even friends wey be female friend wey fit help you, they go come spoil those ones for you wey be say you no go wan near anybody. That is why I hate broke ass. I can take care of myself. I'm working. You are a stupid person. So I notice one thing about you. Forget it. You might be a billionaire, but your heart, your mentality, you reason like animal. That is why you don't have respect for woman. You don't have. You really broke my heart, because God see that even the man I've ever loved in my life, I love you more than that person. I will never hide my feelings. I love you more than anything. Even when I'm at anything, when I'm sleeping, I can't concentrate. When I'm at work, I'm always thinking about you. I never know you are this devilish. I never know you are such a fool. You are not tolerant. You are not mild in the heart. Then you have regret. Okay, look at that interview. Go and see the way. Me, I will not remind. Go and watch that interview. Listen to what you were trying to emphasize, just because you want to save Jude, your brother. Is that how a lady should be talked about? Go to that interview yourself. Go to that interview. The Yoruba adage used to say, "Ta bapa de less loke, apa de less ogbeji or something." Do you think you and somebody cannot meet again? Come what me? That something cannot one thing on the other. I'm still coming. I will do part 50 for you. Ni pele ni. I'm still coming. Wallahi, I'm still coming, because if I don't pour my heart will not rest. My heart will not rest. Honestly, hey, I regret ever. Me, I don't unfollow you. Immediately when I do that first video where I insulted you, go put your daughter. I saw your beautiful daughter on Instagram. You put her there, she was singing. I quickly unfollow. I can no longer condone. You are devil. Hey, honestly, love is something that it will just flow naturally. It will just come naturally. The person might not merit it. It will just. I'm coming for you. I will do another update. I'm coming.